Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to enable AI services on Opera GX. Now if you want to enable the AI services, I believe we have about 3 on Opera GX. It's quite simple. From the home menu, you click on the Opera GX icon in the top left corner, scroll all the way down to settings and open it. Now you can also get here by using the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt plus P keys, and you can also get it using the sidebar here and click on gear to bring you here. So once you're here, click on privacy and security, scroll all the way down until you see advanced, click on advanced, scroll all the way down until you see AI services, and here you see your 3 AI services. We have area, which is this is a built-in Opera on AI engine. Now you can enable the use of it by clicking this on. Now once you toggle this on, what you've done is that if you enable the use of area from the sidebar, area is, like I said before, Opera browser's AI built on Opera's own AI engine, which we need to sign up with an Opera account to access. Then you can also turn on AI prompt in text highlight pop-up. When highlighting text on the web page, a pop-up displays AI prompt relevant to the highlighted text. This feature is enabled by default after you sign up to area. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. The next service you can enable is ChatGPT in the sidebar. Now enable the use of ChatGPT from the sidebar. ChatGPT is a third-party service which you will still need to sign up to. If you want, click it on. You turn it on. If you don't want it, turn it off. It depends on you. And the last one we have is the ChatSonic in the sidebar. So to enable you to use the ChatSonic from the sidebar, ChatSonic is a third-party service which you will need to sign up with. Turn it on or off. Now see them in their sidebar, you see them here. If you want to know how to add any of this to sidebar, how to add ChatGPT to sidebar, how to add ChatSonic, because I have videos on how to add ChatGPT to sidebar on Opera GX, and you can also check next video on how to add ChatSonic in the sidebar to Opera GX. It's as simple as that. So also if you want to know how to add area to the sidebar, the area AI, which is Opera's own AI engine, to the sidebar on your chat on Opera GX, check out the video with the same title, how to add area to sidebar. So hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Now note, AI services should not be employed for any legal, medical, or advisory purposes. You are advised to apply caution and check your facts very well. See you in the next video. Bye.